First question: how many people have been awarded Padma Vibhushan in the year 2020? Your options: A 11, B 7, C 5, D 16. Your answer: B. Explanation: Padma Vibhushan Award 2020 has been conferred on 7 people, the highest 4 awards pertain to the field of public affairs. Second question: which of the following is not the winner of Padma Bhushan Award 2020? Our answer: A. Anand Mahindra, B. Narikon, C. PV Sindhu, D. SC Jamer. Your answer: B. Explanation: Narikon has been selected for the Padma Vibhushan Award 2020. He is not in the list of the Padma Bhushan Award 2020. Third question: Padma Bhushan Award 2020 winner MS Krishnamanaval Jagannathan belongs to which field? A. Architecture, B. Sports, C. Literature and Education, D. Social work. Your answer: D. Explanation: MS Krishnanamal Jagannathan is social worker from Tamil Nadu. He has worked hard for the upliftment of the lives of the poor landless people. Fourth question: who gives the Padma Awards to the winners? Your options: A. President of India, B. Prime Minister of India, C. Speaker, D. None of the above. Your answer: A. Explanation: the Padma Awards are conferred by the President of India. These awards are given at a function held in Rashtrapati Bhavan. Fifth question: which of the following does not match correctly? A. Sri Chennulal Mishra, Art, B. Sri Anirudh Jagannath, GCSK, Public Affairs, C. Sri Vishwa Shrestha Swamiji, Lecturer and Education, D. Mr. Georg Panders. Your answer: C. Explanation: Mr. Vishweshwar Swamiji is an Indian, is a Hindu Guru, and also a former Swamiji of Sri Pejawar Adho Shaja Mat Udupi. Swamiji has established Purna Guru Vidyapiti in Bangalore. Sixth question: the third highest Padma Award in India. Your options: A. Bharat Ratna, B. Padma Vibhushan, C. Padma Bhushan, D. Padma Shri. Your answer: D. Explanation: Padma Awards are given in 3 categories: Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri. Padma Shri is the third highest Padma Award in India. To mention that Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award of India. Seventh question: when was the Padma Awards established? Your options: A. 1948, B. 1954, C. 1965, D. 1985. Your answer B. Explanation. The Padma Awards are announced every year. The winners of the Padma Awards are selected based on the recommendations made by the Padma Awards Committee. These awards were instituted in 1954. Eighth question. Which of the following statements is correct? 1. A maximum of 3% can be awarded the Bharat Ratna award in any year. 2. The Padma Awards Committee is constituted every year by the President of India. A. Only one. B. Only two. C. Both 1 and 2. D. Neither 1 nor 2. Answer A. Explanation. Maximum 3 persons can be awarded Bharat Ratna award in any particular year. In the year 2019, 3 persons, Pranab Mukherjee, Nanaji Deshmukh and Bhupen Hazarika, received the President Sullivan Award. Ninth question. Who among the following actors has been selected for Padma Shri Award 2020? A. Kangana Ranaut, B. Priyanka Chopra, C. Madhuri Dixit, D. Shilpa Shetty. Your answer A. Explanation. Kangana Ranaut has been awarded the Padma Shri Award 2020. Tenth question. How many Padma Awards have been given in the year 2020? Your options A. 118, B. 141, C. 116, D. 156. Your answer B. Explanation. In fact, Padma Awards consists of 3 categories. Therefore, a total of 141 people have been selected for the Padma Awards 2020.